Hello everyone, this is Jeff from TAOFLEDERMAUS. If you just purchased one of these really neat GSG STG-44s, you probably noticed it didn't come with a sling. And the rifle's really not complete without a sling, but where the heck do you buy them? How much are they? And how do you install them? So that's what we're going to cover here. Now I purchased the sling off eBay. It was listed as a K98 sling. It's a reproduction, but a really nicely done reproduction. All the markings, detail, and everything is just really nice on it. I paid $18.88 for it, $2.88 shipping, and it arrived in about 2 days. Now the first step is to remove that buckle and then slip it through the end, just like I'm showing here. The two loops here, I believe they were installed backwards. I flipped them around so that the stitching is on the back side, and now you can see that the nice side, the presentable side, is on the outside. Then slip it through this buckle. This make sure it's on top of that pin, the pin that's on the slot there. That just kind of keeps it tight when you lock it down. Pull enough through so it'll reach to the end of the slot there on the stock. Just make sure that you don't have the sling twisted or anything like that. Make sure everything's installed correctly, and then put it through the left side of the stock just like that. And then finally we reinstall the buckle on the end. I just found it a little easier looping it through that part and then through the loop, and then pushing the T-stud through the hole. Now these are usually a little stiff when you get them initially, and you may have to fight with it a little bit, especially when you take it off for the first time. I had no problem buying a reproduction sling. I guess I was kind of surprised people made these things, to be honest with you. I guess they're for reenactors or something like that. I have no idea. But thankfully somebody makes these things, and they sell them for a good price. I mean, you can't beat overall price of $21.76 shipped in the United States. And I'll put a link to the name of the seller in there because he did such a good job. But now I really feel the rifle is complete. It has a sling, and I didn't have to go to Walmart and buy some funky nylon one. Thanks for watching.